Hey, so today I'm going to talk about variables. So variables can be used to store numbers, and like pretty much any number you can think of. Reals, pi, I don't know why you would want to store that, and in this case we're going to store 88 in a variable. And then you can see there the store key, which you can use, which is basically equivalent to saying this variable equals that, and then so type that, and then the name of the variable, which in this case will be v. And so now if I type in v again and press enter, 88 will be returned because 88 is stored in v. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do user input and store it in a variable. So there are two basic methods for doing this, and I'm going to show you how to do both of them in this video. So first, we're going to go to our program and edit it. Whoops, no, that's not what we want. Okay, now you are going to go to Program and then scroll over to I/O, which is Input Output, and then you can see the first one at the top is input. And basically how input works is it will take a message, a string, text that you want basically to prompt the user. In this case, we'll do we'll do set variable or set var to make it short. And after, of course, you want to enclose this in double quotes, like I showed in the last video. And then now you're going to do a comma as a separator, and then basically a variable name. Basic variable names for TI Basic, they can only be one character long. So I mean, in other programming languages you can usually make the variable name something more descriptive, like some kind of constant or something, but with one character it's kind of hard to do that. So, but we'll do v for now for variable. And basically that's where we're going to be storing whatever number is entered by the user into our program. So let me just type that out right now, and then just so we to show that we v is actually being set, we're going to do display and then display v. Don't enclose that in double quotes because it's not a string, and we just want the internal value of what is stored in v. So if I go and run this program now, what we are going to see happen is so set var, and then I'm gonna set it to 5. And then you can see here that 5 was outputted on as the value of v. So v was set because we set v to 5. so now I'm going to show you the other command, which is prompt. And if we, basically how we get to it is input, output, and then you can see the second option under input is prompt. Okay, so now I've entered prompt in our program, and basically for after that you just type V, and prompt doesn't have any fancy messages associated with it. So now we're going to run our program, and so you can see that this is what prompt displays: your variable name and then equals question mark, and then heck, I'll just do 5 again, and you can see that again 5 was stored in V. So that is how to use variables and get input from the user and store it in the variable.